Okay.
From Slovenia, I walk to Croatia.
No, you cannot read them. Yes.
What?
Read properly these countries. Croatia.
Then.
Wait a second. Where is Croatia? Show it on the map. Croatia. Then you go to.
By Mediterranean Sea.
See, yes, you go
to Spain.
Spain, okay.
And then by Mediterranean Sea to France.
To France, okay.
And then by Pink Plain.
By Pink Plain you go to
Ukraine.
Okay.
Then walk to Poland.
You walk to Poland, okay.
And then to Belarus.
Okay, Belarus, and okay.
And I am the
Wait
champion.
a second. Slovenia, Croatia, Mediterranean, Spain, Mediterranean, France, Plain, Ukraine, Poland, Belarus. Okay. Yeah, but actually quite good itinerary. Okay, but now tell us which of these countries is your favorite?
From these?
Yes.
Spain.
Spain, okay. Okay, now, as you know, we had some tourists from Poland, from Belarus, from Slovenia, actually. Can you say something to them?
To these tourists?
Yes, you...
I could say them good luck
And?
Money.
What? You wish them? Money? Okay.
They need money to travel.
Okay, yes, they are travelers. Thank you very much. But so let's listen to Zakaria. Zakaria,
I don't.
what plans did you have for traveling?
You losers.
No.
Okay, can you share with us your plan?
No, because it is secret.
Okay, so maybe next time.
I can share with you with his plan.
Yeah, look, actually I have a quite mess here. Look.
Hey, you can.
I
can't
can't.
watch.
Why?
You see?
Aha.
Okay, now you are spoiling my video.
No.
Where is it? Actually, I had 2 planes from Germany. One plane to Russia. Then from Russia, I wanted to take a boat and to go to Sweden, but it isn't possible because yeah, it is possible. Sweden is washed by Atlantic Ocean, but from Sweden, I couldn't go to Scotland. I needed to replace that country. You see, this is one moment here from Germany. I wanted to take plane, but this orange plane doesn't take me to Greece because Greece isn't orange. So I needed to replace it. Yeah, but of course from Greece I could get to Macedonia, but from Macedonia I couldn't go to Belgium. Okay, that was a nice game. So, and what score do we have, Zakaria? 1-1?
Yes.
So I have 1 point.
I have.
Mohammed has
1-0. The another game wasn't.
okay.
Because I wasn't there.
Okay. So let's play once again.
Yes. No, not again.
You
continues.
Okay, we'll continue. Okay. That's why you didn't show me your.
Yes.
Okay. So
But he knows